Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and verifying that requests runs on Python 3. 8 or newer. Once done, import requests and define a base URL and default headers. Make sure to set a sensible timeout like 10 to avoid hangs. Now you write a simple get call, resp equals requests. Get URL headers equals headers, timeout equals 10, check resp. Status code and resp. Headers to confirm connectivity. If you get 200, parse resp. Text or resp. JSON. This gives you immediate feedback on whether your setup worked. You move on to sending data and managing state. For JSON, use requests. Post URL JSON equals payload headers equals headers, so request sets the content type correctly, then check resp. Status code and resp. JSON. Once done, use params equals dict to build query strings and session, to persist cookies and connection pooling. For big files, use stream equals true and iterate resp. Iter content, chunk size equals 8192. Also implement retries with exponential backup. You finish by validating responses and cleaning up resources. Always assert status codes and expected JSON keys and close sessions or use with requests. Session, to avoid connection leaks. If you hit rate limits, slow down and implement retries with exponential backoff. For troubleshooting, examine timeouts, SSL verification errors, and differentiate client 4xx problems from server 5xx failures. If things still fail, log full request and response details including headers and body. That trace usually reveals authentication, header, or payload mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.